Should you wipe the sweat off during an infrared sauna session? Yes, and here's why. When you sweat in a sauna, you release toxins and heavy metals from the body. By wiping the sweat off your skin, you are removing these toxins and stopping your skin from reabsorbing them back into your body. One study examined the sweat of sauna users, and these were the different toxins found in the sweat. Heavy metals. Sauna sweating led to the elimination of lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. Bisphenol A. BPA is an endocrine-disrupting chemical found in some plastics and personal care products. Phthalates, another group of endocrine-disrupting chemicals found in plastics and personal care products. Organophosphate pesticides, a type of pesticide metabolites found in foods we eat. So, if you are wondering whether you should be wiping your sweat during an infrared sauna or not, just consider whether you want these toxins to be reabsorbed by the skin or eliminated entirely. To learn more about these studies, visit Clearlight Saunas.